Es tiempo de levantarse, tiempo de luchar, ¿sí? I said there rich man who works for money and possessions. The youth don't follow the salvation. Rich man works for Babylon. I be say I'm man for the revolution. I say the bad man don't know, the wicked man don't know what it's hard. The road to trouble, never know. She still never know what it's hard. The road to trouble, so Jaja should ride. Come on, let's give those big fish and some bread to let to rise. I'm not so Jaja should rise. Yeah. I'm not so Jaja should rise. Ooh, yeah, go well, yeah. And it's just such a reggae music we not live, yeah. Roots and culture we not live, yeah. Consciousness we say me not live, yeah. No, she Jamaica, me not live, yeah. About the trees and destruction, them not know we're living in a concrete jungle. Yo, me I hear you, let me tell you, them not know. But that's not man pure and humble, them not know. Till I see I never talk them now. Boom, hey, let me tell you this, you're out them and one of them back so boom. Some of them know what to get to reach and I reach it. The problem is that this is how we live. I'm still over there. Downtown, downtown, the people get mad. I take when it's over, and then outskirts that happens. Uptown, downtown, the big fish get fat. The story is about my time, nobody can cover them, don't know about the trades and destruction, them don't know. We're living in a concrete jungle now. Oh, them don't know. Chop the reggae, they don't know. But it's the man pure and humble, they don't know. See, I never tumble out. But I say, would you bless and no one curse? Remember last time in the first. I say, would you bless and no one curse? This is the truth of the righteousness. Let us stand up and fight for your rights. You have to know how to survive. Let us stand up and not give up the fight. But remember, only Jah will provide. So here comes the time for a change. Shut them down now. We're living in a concrete jungle now. Oh, them not know. Yeah, what I'm telling you, them not know. But us the man pure and humble, them not know. See, that's it, I never tumble down. Yeah, I'm just never tumble down. Chop it. Chop it again, you say. No, Santa Mon. No, Santa Mon. You see, plastic. Whoa, I'm just you want to be here, me tell you. Porque sí, el gobierno va criticando la hierba, va criticando la hierba. ¿Por qué? Porque la hierba nos hace pensar, nos hace meditar, relajarnos, ¿sí? Y después les dan tabaco a los niños y les dan alcohol para que se maten, ¿sí? So why you criticize here, Mr. Babylon, man? Let me tell you this. Hey, look. So when you criticize me, why you are so drastic? Why you criticize me for letting you don't smoke plastic? If you cut down the earth, me tell the farmer them to plant it. Oh, well, I know you criticize the earth because you know your benefits. So let me tell you, don't you save yourself and say dangerous. We don't make no joke, it's a ill for us. Let's jump from my curb and take away the fuss. We don't care, what he was is the perfect tree. It make me feel iron. Give me the energy so then I can fly and be free. Give me the good sense, we love to smoke because even when we there, we are me there in a party. Why you criticize the everyone you are so drastic, so drastic. Why you criticize the everyone and you don't smoke plastic? And we tell you, you have got down the every tell you mama and be plastic. I know you criticize the every time you're not in. Well, I'm gonna tell you, send me home, then I'm jump out, miss, and I feel alright. I'm Mr. Tim, I'm in the morning, Mr. Charlie, in the day. Look! Yo, una mala like a toda la gente que le gusta la hierba, ¿sí? No es un juego, la hierba no es un juego, ¿sí? Es una planta que nos ha creado, se nos ha dado para nosotros, ¿sí? Para algún motivo, ¿sí o no? Como comemos tomates, comemos mangos, tenemos una hierba que sirve para fumar, para darle energía al cerebro, ¿sí? So, Mr. me born me and Japan, Mr. me feel alright. I'm Mr. Steamer in the morning, Mr. Charlie in the night. Some meditation high, say good for I and I. Now give thanks and praises out to the most high. Mr. me give the one Japan, Mr. me give the one Japan, Mr. live the one, I'm a foundation, Mr. Wow!